AI copilots are showing up everywhere. They help people summarize information, draft content, search faster, and answer questions in seconds. Manufacturing leaders are asking a fair question. Can AI help our teams investigate issues faster and make better decisions on the floor? The answer is yes, but regulated manufacturing requires a higher standard than general productivity software. In regulated environments, important decisions need evidence. Teams must know what happened, who reviewed it, what sources were used, and what action followed. That applies to deviations, nonconformances, CAPAs, electronic records, device history, batch records, and release decisions. A fast answer can be useful. A trusted answer needs context, source evidence, review, and accountability. A generic AI copilot is usually designed for broad tasks. It may summarize, draft, or explain, but the manufacturing context is often missing. A manufacturing investigation may need evidence from MES, QMS, LIMS, CMMS, SCADA, ERP, historians, supplier records, and shift notes. If an AI tool cannot show which systems it referenced, the answer may sound confident while still leaving the team unsure. That is the gap. Generic AI copilots may answer quickly, but regulated teams need answers they can inspect and defend. Now consider a common quality scenario. A defect spike appears on line 3. Surface scratches increased over the last 24 hours. The first question is simple. What changed? That question sounds straightforward, but the evidence may be spread across several systems. A defect spike should trigger a fast path to evidence. Lots, tools, shifts, suppliers, process parameters, and prior events all matter. The MES may show production history, routing, operator activity, affected lots, and genealogy. The QMS may show nonconformances, deviations, prior CAPAs, complaints, and similar quality events. Maintenance records may show a recent repair, preventive maintenance event, calibration, setup change, or tool adjustment. SCADA and historian data may show pressure, temperature, speed, torque, alarms, vibration, or recipe values moving outside the usual pattern. Supplier and ERP records may show whether one material batch or component lot is overrepresented in the failures. Shift notes may contain the human context. A small observation, a workaround, or an unusual event may never appear in a formal report. The evidence exists, but it sits across systems, teams, and time. That is where defect investigations slow down. Manual investigation often means pulling MES reports, checking QMS history, asking maintenance for records, reviewing supplier batches, and comparing shift notes. Then the team needs to align. Quality, engineering, maintenance, production, and supply chain may all hold a piece of the picture. By the time the team reaches a credible hypothesis, hours or days may have passed. More lots may be exposed during that delay. The delay often comes before root cause analysis begins. Time is lost, finding, joining, and trusting the evidence. Dashboards help teams monitor performance. They show trends, alerts, OEE, downtime, yield, and quality metrics. Investigations require more than monitoring. They require evidence correlation across systems and a clear view of what changed. Dashboards can show the signal. Investigations need context, evidence, likely contributors, and human review. This is where governed manufacturing AI becomes useful. It can help connect data sources and narrow the investigation faster. A governed AI agent can query connected systems, correlate lots, tools, shifts, suppliers, process parameters, and prior quality events. It can surface likely contributors and show supporting evidence, so the quality team can decide what deserves inspection first. The goal is faster, evidence-backed action. The human still reviews the recommendation and owns the decision. That human review is essential. AI can narrow the search, but engineers and quality leaders still validate the finding. Governance also means access control. People should only see the data they are authorized to see. It also means traceability. If an AI recommendation points to a supplier batch or maintenance event, the source evidence should be visible. Trusted AI in manufacturing depends on four things: source evidence, manufacturing context, human review, and audit-ready governance. In medtech, this can support faster EDHR review, nonconformance investigation, genealogy review, and stronger CAPA evidence. In pharma, this can help connect deviations to batch records, lab results, equipment events, process parameters, and prior quality history. In semiconductor, this can help isolate yield contributors across tools, recipes, metrology results, supplier lots, and maintenance events. In electronics and battery manufacturing, this can help teams contain process drift before scrap spreads across more work orders. The industry changes. The trust requirement stays the same. AI recommendations need to be visible, reviewable, and defensible. When quality teams trust the evidence, they can act faster. They can inspect the right tool, quarantine the right lot, or review the right supplier batch. That means faster containment, fewer downstream escapes, better documentation, and less time spent chasing disconnected reports. The best AI for regulated manufacturing will not be the broadest chatbot. It will be the one that respects evidence, workflow, and accountability. Fast answers matter. Trusted answers matter more. Governed AI helps manufacturing teams move faster without losing control. For quality teams, the starting point is simple. When a defect spike appears, the AI should help answer what changed, where the evidence is, and what needs review first. Regulated manufacturing needs AI that connects evidence, supports human review, and strengthens the path from signal to action.